So we are heading to Gatineau, that's in a Quebec air show, and that's my Durango, my Durango RT V8, my love.
So you guys see? Look at that smoke. Okay, let me go back. Shaq, come back.
It's about 40 minutes drive from here, and you're gonna take a ferry. My kids are gonna take a ferry for the first time. I've been there in ferry before, so it's just a river crossing in a ship. So I'll show you guys in a bit, like you guys are gonna see it.
It's the race! Ty, what are you doing? You're filming too? Yes. Okay, look, I'll help you film it. This, and then you do like this, and then you do this.
So we're gonna leave now, and
oh, move your hand, Jack. This one. Now you hold it.
I'll catch you
Look up.
guys in a ferry. So that's what the ferry is. It's the Ontario, and we are going to. We are in a ferry right now, guys. Can you believe that?
Yeah, it's the boat. It's gonna go across on that side.
So we are passing from Ontario side, and we are heading towards Quebec. It's a shorter way. Just cross, put your car in the ship, and
I just leave it there. He'll drink it
and
after.
it will
Don't
take
drink
us
it.
to the other side, which is Quebec. So
You can't trust them.
it's a ferry ride.
Look, it's a plane, ano?
Oh yeah, water plane.
Mommy, look at this!
Yeah.
It's $30 plus tax, one way. It's at the Cumberland in Gatineau. So that's where we are. See, that's coming back again there. Wow. I'm pretty sure they're F-16. Goes ups and down, super loud. Chop, look at the plane, Chop.
Guys, look, listen. When we see the plane, chase it.
Shah is scared from the plane noise. Shah, I thought you were brave. Oh, just a plane, Shah. It's just a fighter plane.
There's other babies, small babies sitting
See?
watching. See a small baby?
So if you pull over it, so the kid.
That is extremely loud for the kids, but they're just having fun. Just a blink of an eye and it's just gone. So we just left. That's pink. So honestly, वहाँ से आए और ये वहाँ ऊपर से गिरे हमारे.
Yeah, more cutters. Look, it's all open.
And finally, we are sitting to eat after a long day and a very noisy day. We're gonna eat here and head out home.
I made something really
Thank you guys for watching this, and I hope to see you in next vlog. See ya.